Okay, class 7 student, today we are moving on next exercise, that is example 1.5, and this example is word based type problem. What is word based type problem? That is, question are given in the format of sentence and you have to decode the following sentence into equation and then you have to solve it. Okay, that means you have better understanding to grasp any English sentence. Okay, so we have to find out how we can approach such type of problem. So the first question if given is, I was 4 kilometers east of my home. Now I am 3 kilometers west of my home. How many kilometers did I travel? This is the question. Very interesting. See how you can solve it. In the question, it is given that he is how many kilometers away from the home? 4 kilometers. And which direction? East direction. So we draw first a direction table, direction symbol graph, that is, it is represent east, it is represent west direction, it is represent north, and this is represent south direction. Suppose this is your origin, that is home, who represent home, that is you are in this place. According to question, he was 4 kilometers east of house, that is from the house he was 4 kilometers east of house, because the direction of east is here, right side. Okay, that's why from home, that is O point, it moved 4 kilometers toward east direction. Similarly, he say in the next statement, that is now I am 3 kilometers west of my home, that is from home. Now he is in which direction? West direction. And how much kilometer? 3 kilometers. So from home he is 3 kilometers west direction, because home is your O point. Okay, so he asks how many kilometers did he travel. It means he asks total distance from this point to this point. So how you can calculate total distance? Simply we add. Okay, total distance, when we are going to find out, we have to add from this distance to this place, that is OE, plus we have to add from this distance to this place, that is, suppose this point is P and this point is Q, then OP plus OP. So OP distance is 4 and OQ distance is 3. So 4 plus 3, 7 kilometers. That is, he traveled total how much distance? 7 kilometers from this point to this point. Okay, I hope you understand very well. So now we are going to move on next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2 is given, Rajesh and Satish had a cycling race. The race was conducted in 6 sessions. 6 sessions means 6 lap. Conducted in 6 sessions. In the first session, Satish gained 10 seconds. Satish gained 10 seconds. After that, he gained 20 seconds. Then lost 1 minute. Gained 15 seconds. Then lost 27 seconds. And finally gained 41 seconds over his friend Rajesh, who lost the race. And question asks you, who lost the race? So there are various conditions given in this question, and that's why I have chosen this question, very important. So watch it very carefully. In the statement, how many sessions are given? 6 sessions are given. Okay, section or session. Section are given. In the first session, Satish gained how much second? 10 seconds. After that, he gained how much second? 20 seconds. Then lost how many minutes? 1 minute. Then he gained again 15 seconds and lost 27 seconds, and finally gained 41 seconds. Okay, that means how much session? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sessions. So we suppose let the time be x, because we don't know how much time after he gained how much seconds. So that's why we suppose let's the time be x. This represents session. This represents Rajesh, and this represents Satish. Okay, this is your session 1. This is your session 2. This is your session 3. This is your session 4. This is your session 5. And this is your session 6. Okay, I hope you got very clear cut idea what I am trying to tell you. So in first session, both has same time frame, that is x. But in the first session, Satish gained 10 seconds. That is, Satish gained 10 seconds. If he gained 10 seconds, that means he lost 10 seconds. If anyone gain the time, it means other one loses the time, because both has started at the same point to start a race. Okay, that means if he gain 10 seconds, that means Rajesh lose 10 seconds. So in first session, Satish gained 10 seconds. After that, he gained 20 seconds. In the next session, he again gained how much second? 20 seconds plus 10 previous one. So his total second gain is x plus 30 seconds. In here, he lost 10 seconds before, and after that he again lose 20 seconds. So how much second he lose? X minus 30 seconds. Okay. And after then he lost 1 minute. Who lost 1 minute? Satish, because the whole statement is given the information regarding Satish. So after that 30 seconds, Satish lost 1 minute. And in 1 minute, how much second does contain? 60 seconds. That is, he lost 60 seconds. So how much he gained? X minus 30 seconds he left remaining. And when he lose 1 minute, that means he gained 1 minute. X minus 30 plus 60, which means he gained 30 seconds. Rajesh. After 30 seconds, again Satish gained 15 seconds, that is x minus 30 plus 50, then he get x minus 50 seconds. And when he gain, he lose. So x plus 30 second minus 15, then it become x plus 15 second. Okay. After that, he again lose 27 second. Then again x minus 15 plus 27 is equal to x. Loss. So minus. Whenever 2 minus sign is present, then addition function we have to perform. Okay. So here it comes 2 and 2, 3, 4. Here comes x minus 42 seconds. And when he lose 27 seconds, then he gain 27 seconds. X plus 15 plus 27 is equal to 2. X plus 42 seconds. And after that, Rajesh again gained how much second? 41 seconds. So he gained 41 seconds. So plus 41. He left x minus 1 second. And he lose 41 seconds. X plus 42 seconds minus 41 is equal to x plus 1 second. So in the last session, when we comparing both two data, we can easily see that Satish lost the race by how much time? 1 second. And Rajesh won the race by how much time? 1 second. So in the end, who won the race? Rajesh won the race by how much second? 1 second. You can clearly see how much second? 1 second. He lose the race with 1 second and Rajesh gained the race with 1 second. This is the way you have to solve. So in your mind you don't have any confusion regarding this question. Okay. I hope you understand it very well and carefully. Now rest of the question you can solve easily. There is nothing more complex. Okay. This one the complex one. So I have already provided you the answer and video solution. Have a nice day. Thank you.